Hello everyone, today I will show you how to empty your trash folder in Gmail. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So first, you need to go to your Gmail account by clicking on the app. And here, let's say you deleted so many mail and your trash folder is full, you would have to click on the three bar at the top left and then scroll down until you find trash. Click on trash, and then there will be a button for empty trash. So you just have to click on this empty trash now button and then click on OK to confirm the action that will help to empty your trash folder. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe.